Welcome back to Wonder Wheels. Today we're diving into the Mazda 2 Hatchback, a compact car that continues to impress drivers around the world with its stylish design, reliable performance, and everyday practicality. The Mazda 2 Hatchback, often referred to as a super mini, is a small car with big potential. It's ideal for urban driving, yet capable enough for longer journeys thanks to its refined engineering and attention to driver experience. The Mazda 2 was first introduced in 1996 and was originally known as the Mazda Demio in some markets. Over the years, it has evolved through multiple generations to become what we know today, a sleek, smart, and fun-to-drive hatchback. Designed with the philosophy of Jinba Atai, a Japanese concept that emphasizes the harmony between car and driver. The Mazda 2 is more than just a means of transport. It's meant to be an extension of the driver's will. When it comes to global popularity, the Mazda 2 is especially well received in countries like Japan, Thailand, Australia, and parts of Europe. In Thailand particularly, the Mazda 2 hatchback has become a top choice for city dwellers and young drivers looking for a balance between performance and efficiency. It's often among the best-selling hatchbacks in its segment thanks to its compact size, smooth ride, and bold design. Under the hood, the Mazda 2 hatchback typically comes with a 1.3 or 1.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, depending on the market. These engines are known for delivering a responsive driving experience while maintaining excellent fuel economy. You can expect around 20 to 23 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. With its lightweight build and tuned suspension, it provides a nimble, agile performance in city traffic while maintaining comfort on highways. What sets the Mazda 2 apart are its capabilities and features. Despite its compact size, the interior is smartly laid out to maximize space. You get a high-quality cabin with soft-touch materials, a user-friendly infotainment system, and practical storage. Safety is also a strong suit with available features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, smart city brake support, and a rear-view camera. One of the biggest selling points of the Mazda 2 hatchback is its design. Mazda's Kodo, Soul of Motion design philosophy gives it a premium, sporty look that stands out among rivals. Whether parked or in motion, it looks dynamic and confident. As for pricing, the Mazda 2 hatchback remains highly competitive. In Thailand, for example, it starts around 546,000 to 799,000 baht, depending on the variant. For that price, you're getting a stylish, efficient, and well-equipped hatchback that doesn't compromise on performance. So if you're looking for a compact car that blends fun, function, and flair, the Mazda 2 hatchback might just be your perfect ride. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Wonder Wheels for more car insights and reviews every week.